So when you sign up to do work with PT, we automatically include a standard promotion package that we do on our side. So when you're happy with the collateral and we've got the okay to promote it, we will upload it to our site in several places. It will go on your client section of our marketing portfolio on our website. It will also go on our Just Drop section of our website under What's New. A few weeks later, we'll do an article that will go up on the A Matter of Facts section. We'll post it to SlideShare. We'll post it to Pinterest. We'll do social media promotion. The outlets we use are Facebook, LinkedIn, X, formerly known as Twitter, and we'll do a press release. The social media effort will last about 6 weeks, so about once a week, post on Facebook and Twitter, just twice on LinkedIn so we don't overload that audience. So if you don't want the PT promotion for some reason, it's totally fine for you to opt out of it. On the other hand, if you want to collaborate, align some of those calendar posts, we can certainly do that as well. If you'd like to do more than our standard promotion, just talk to us. It may be that we can collaborate on a different schedule or more assets. It may be at an additional cost depending on the investment level of it, but definitely talk to us and we can work something out. So the benefit of the promotion package that PT includes in your project is to get your work out in front of as many eyes as possible.